So after here, you cook it. You cook
Yeah,
it.
you cook it now after roasting it.
Yeah.
They're not supposed to eat that.
Oh. Why?
Because it's raw.
It's raw.
Yeah, you.
She's the one behind the. You didn't do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm the one who gingered it, slaughtered. For sure. I know you can't.
Me, I can.
You can slaughter.
Yeah, of course. Why not?
Me, I can't. And also, I'm 50-50. I'm not sure if I'm going to eat it.
Why? Because I was told this is one of the sweetest meats. Yeah.
But I'll try. You know, it's good.
That is a neck.
Yeah, this is a neck. And it has oil already inside.
This is
Kivundi.
Kivundi.
Liver. Oh God, yeah.
Yeah. This is the liver. Yeah, guys. Finally here we are. Let me take. Yeah. Why am I getting? Yeah, this one is okay. So guys, yeah. Guys, my first time testing a duck, and also here we have some kales and avocado. Yeah.
It tastes like a chicken.
Chicken. Yeah. Obviously. So we also have.
Sasa tunakumalizia sasa.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You woke up?
Yes.
Yeah. So guys, good morning from Africa. Yeah, to be precise, Nyabuhanse, East Africa, Kenya. Yeah, guys, our project is on. We are going to plant our onions here.
Our onions.
Yeah,
yes.
We have Moi say
yes,
hello.
Hi, morning. Yeah. It's a good morning. It's another day, a beautiful day. Yeah. So we have wake up so that we can continue with our project. Yeah. So that this our project we have started now, and we are continuing proceeding on it. Yeah. So we shall show you when we are moving to our garden. Yeah. Thank you.
So guys, we had to buy some onions because the other ones for village grandma were not enough. Yes. But you can see these ones are very, very much healthy.
Maria.
Maria,
can you help us?
Help us here.
Yes.
Help us carry this. Yeah. So let me take some here. Yeah, so these are onions, very healthy. I'll carry those ones. Here we go. Yeah, so guys, I hope you all are doing well. I want to say thank you so much. If in case you're new here, my name is Maj_KE. I'm from Kenya, guys, East Africa, Nyabuhanse village. Your gumboots. Okay, put your onions down. Okay, so let Maria put on her gumboots, guys. So in case you're new here, I'm Maj_KE. Kindly consider telling a friend, your neighbor to subscribe to my channel, guys. We're on the road to 15,000. Yeah, you guys support me. Thank you so much for the people who are supporting. So yeah. Maria has her gumboots on. Here we go. Yeah. So, how was your night, Maria?
Good.
You slept well?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, we have some tomatoes here also growing very nicely. Yeah. So guys, this is it. This is our farm. Yeah, we have to complete. So the onions that we were planting last time, we were moving from here, but you can see comparing these ones and these ones are bigger and very healthy. Yeah, comparing to these ones. So Yeah, so we are going to continue with our project, guys. Yeah. Yes, you see our holes are there,
One
but
by one.
Yes.
yeah.
One by one.
One by one. Which is one by one?
One.
Yeah. So guys, you can see this one. Is this mekua, eh?
Yeah, so now
They are ready.
they are ready.
Yeah. See now they are growing. Yeah. Yeah. They are growing very nicely. Yeah. So we are doing our holes here
Yes.
so that we can start planting.
Put this one.
So we put one.
Yes.
No, now this
Uh-huh.
you can move the way. You may move because it is held.
Yeah.
You can move only one.
One,
Yes.
But if we get smalls like
Yes,
this,
small,
two.
two. But this one which is held now, you have the
You
way
put
you are
one,
seeing,
one.
You put one.
Yeah. So
And this one two. This one is two. This one.
one.
One, Maria.
Yes. So Maria is helping us. Oh, sorry. Maria is helping over there. Yeah. This one is good. So these onions are very healthy, very much healthy. We pray that they grow good.
Yes.
Yes. So after here, Moi, what do we have to do, like now maintaining the onions?
Yes. After this, after they have get ready,
Yes.
before we weed.
Uh-huh.
After weeding for the first time,
Yeah.
we shall come back
Mm-hmm.
with the this we call the manure. This
Manure.
cow dung.
Cow dung.
Yes. Which we have already we have bring it. It is there.
Uh-huh.
So we shall bring it and then put on it.
So that is after.
After we have weed the first time.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
So we shall bring the
Cow dung.
Then we put on them. Then will come so health.
Uh-huh.
Then we shall then continue now weeding.
Maybe if we don't have rain, we have to be watering them
Yes.
every evening or every morning.
Evening, in the evening.
Uh-huh.
Yes, every evening we shall be watering so that they can get health.
Healthy.
Yes.
Yes. So guys, we are continuing. How are you, Pope? Pope
I'm
Africa
very
is
fine.
here.
I'm very fine.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning from Africa, Kenya. We are so grateful that we are here. It's a brand new day. We thank God for this good day.
Yes.
So we are here at the farm, guys. We are going to plant onions.
Yeah.
Is it called onions?
Yeah. Onions.
Onions.
Spring onions.
Spring onions.
Yeah, spring onions.
So today we are going to plant these. So kindly subscribe and support Maja_KE because it's doing amazing work, guys. Thank you so much, Maja.
Yeah. So that is Pope Africa. Also has a YouTube channel. You can also check him out. He used to do also farming, a lot of farming on his channel. Yeah. So he's here to help me.
Yeah.
So how was your night, bro?
My night was fine, and I thank God for this. You know, waking up healthy
Yeah.
is not guaranteed. It's just by the grace of God.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
why I always say that I lift my hands and say God is grateful. I have seen this good new day, guys.
Yeah. Maria, wacha kwanza.
Yes.
See, Maria is also putting the small ones like one. Yeah. Wacha kwanza. Wewe imetosha. So Pope is here, will help us.
You know, I used to farm tobacco long time ago.
Tobacco.
Yeah, as a cash crop here.
Yeah. So is this the same?
Yeah,
It
it's
is
the
the
same.
same. It is the same.
Oh, it's the same as planting the onions.
tobacco.
Yeah, guys, so you can hear from there. We are learning also something that even tobacco is planted like this.
Yes.
The same way we are planting like this,
Onion.
guys.
Yes.
Onions. And tobacco it was a main cash crop here in the village.
Yeah, the company that used to buy tobacco sold.
Oh yeah, mastermind. Fell down.
So yeah, it went down.
Yeah, yeah, the
People
company is not
planting
working
tobacco.
anymore. So people are not planting tobacco anymore. But yeah, so maybe Pope, help me with the camera so that you can... So guys, this is how we are planting our onions. And at first, guys, if you didn't watch the video that we started planting the onions, you have to cut the leaves, the long leaves, and also the roots, so that they start, we plant them so that they grow. Yeah, from scratch. So you see, like these ones, there are very many in this one. Now we have to put, remove one. So like this one is small, you have to get 2 of them. Kumbe hata sitamaliza.
But now sitamaliza. Tabakia tu. Kana nimwambia niongeze, lazima mwambie nipe tu kidogo, mapakia.
Tachukua hata za 100.
Ndicho tumalize.
So guys, this is how we plant.
So during dry seasons,
Yes.
we are supposed to plant with water. But because
but
it's
you see, it's not that dry. Our soil has a little bit of moisture. Is it moisture?
Yeah.
So we don't have to use water. But later in the evening, maybe at 4, 5, we'll come now watering them one by one. Yeah. So we pray for the best,
So are you planting it for use or you want to sell them?
Yeah.
Is it for...
Okay, some will be for selling and also for home use.
Yeah.
But not much for home use, maybe some 1, 2 or 3, they're enough for home. But the purpose of planting this, it's for us to sell.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the first one because we don't have a bigger farm. This is just like the first, like you are trying to see if they will grow. Then later on we will take now maybe the whole farm after the veggies are removed from there. We'll take now the whole farm, even from up there
to down.
Yeah. So that we have a very big one. Onions.
I have a friend of mine who planted these onions and like a hectare. And they grew out very well. Now the time that he was selling, it was marketable.
Yeah, especially when you get a market in Nairobi of onions, you'll get a very big profit out of them. Yeah, but here in the village, not that big profit,
But it's good.
Yeah.
It's a very good project that, most of people here in the village plant only maize and beans. But
maize, beans, especially maize.
Yeah, but this one, you find that this is the whole village.
Yes.
You'll find that you are the only one now planting them.
Yeah, so it's also a bit low. Cut. Yeah, so guys, we are done with planting. Yeah, it was not a very big farm, but also our onions here, they ended, so we decided to remove again from there. We planted here. You can see these ones are very much different from these ones. These ones are very healthy, very big. Yeah, so this is our small farm here. Maybe tomorrow we will now start with here again. Yeah, so guys, let's move. This is Africa. Yeah, so guys, we just finished up with planting the onions. Though on Monday again we are going back, guys. So we are out of our village, little adventure, and I have my friend here. We're going to learn something, guys, in a different village from Nyabuhansi. So I have Poultry Africa here. Yeah, this is the way that we are going. Yeah, so motorbike. Unachukua kama ona watu wa mahindi. Washing our hands over here. Hey, lot of light, guys. So this is a normal jerrycan here in the village, but they modify it. Oh, and get more water. Normal jerrycan modified to be washed. So guys, we just left some ugali here. It was so big, but now it has a use for Benito. Benito is going to take for
my puppies.
the puppies.
I've got small 2 puppies. I know you'll see them at my home. When I'm around home, they usually come around me. So I usually come here and take. You see now?
Oh, this is the place that you take the food.
Yeah, you see we've left the ponds and this all ugali. So I'm a loyal customer in this local hotel. So they usually.
So they will give us discount.
Yeah?
They will give us discount.
No discount since it's there is a marked price.
Yes.
No discount. So about the discount is when I come for the feeds for my puppies.
Yo.
They don't charge me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they just give me for free.
Yeah.
So all this will be kept for me in the evening around 6, 7. I usually come here to pick yeah, for my
So
my
guys,
puppies.
so guys, the German breed.
No, local.
Local.
Yeah, local breed.
Okay.
Local breed.
Yeah, guys, finally we are here and we have this. I don't think we have this in Nyabuhansi. Not a lot. We have, but not a lot. Yeah.
But you don't have in your home. I only see sheep.
Yes, sheep.
Not sheep, like goat.
Goat, yeah.
Yeah, I
not
only
sheep.
see goat.
Yeah. So guys, here we got these sheep here. Yeah, and they say they are very sweet.
Yeah, sure. And
Yeah.
I have got a lot of oil.
Lot of oil.
Yeah, mafuta.
Oh,
we call
yeah.
it mafuta in our Swahili language.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we
but
have
oil.
Mhm.
And there is a breed.
These
here
are yours?
For the These are for my home.
Yeah.
And this one is for the, you know, when they grow very big, you can shave. You see this one?
okay.
It looks like the one that is surely shaved. It's a different breed from the other ones.
Oh, you can see these
Yeah,
ones.
very beautiful. You see? You see
Yeah.
how it looks like?
Yeah, this is different from
the
this
other
one. Yeah. And the other ones.
Very different.
Yeah.
And we only have 5 of them. And the young one, the lamb, it was born here.
Oh, the
And
small one.
It's only like 1 month and some weeks old. And as you can see, it's very big.
Yeah, it's very big,
Yeah, it
guys.
seems like we usually feed them very well.
Why don't you
No,
sell this?
the mother is feeding feeding it very well. Yeah.
Why don't you sell the wool?
No, we will sell, but they are
No.
not yet grown well.
If you are out there, guys, want to buy the wool, you see it's ready. Because here in the village it's hot seasons, You have to save the wool and sell. So if you're out there planning to buy the wool of the sheep,
Yeah.
this is, what is his name? Or it doesn't have.
A name. You want to
A name of?
This sheep.
A sheep. So sheep like this.
You see, the
You
wool
see?
has really grown.
And also
very
it can
nice.
be used to make maybe jackets.
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
and everything. Yeah.
Duvets.
Duvets. Yeah.
If you're out there, guys,
Mhm.
one of the farm of wolves, you know, you have those people who farm these wolves.
Yeah.
If you're out there, we want to buy them, please
Feel free.
go.
Feel
we
free,
only
yeah.
have 5,
Yeah.
but we are planning to have more than 50.
That's
Yeah,
More than 50.
Yeah, more than
Wow.
50 in this our
because
home.
this
Yeah.
thing gives twice, gives birth twice a year.
Twice a year.
Yeah.
So in
Oh,
1 year you have
okay.
2 young ones.
Yeah. So guys, we are learning something from here, guys. So maybe we can also, because I see in our village we don't have a lot of sheep.
Yeah.
Is it, Pope?
Yeah,
we don't have sheep.
Why?
People, I don't know why, but
People prefer to
Goats.
goats,
goats too.
goats,
yeah, goats and cows.
goats and cows. Yeah.
But you know, goats, they are always like have that. They don't have unity. When you like untie a goat, it will usually run. It
Yeah.
can't wait for this other one.
Yeah, these ones they follow the
Yeah,
themselves.
the leader.
Like
If
yeah.
it's a, you know, we have an old one. That is
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
When I untie this, then I untie all of them. Like before untying this, they can't go. They usually wait for this to go so that
Then
they
they
can
follow.
Go. Yeah, when I
Follow the leader.
Yeah, they follow the leader now.
Yeah.
When I now drag this one to home, when I was grazing them like far from my home, when I drag this home, they usually follow from the back. That's what I like with the sheep.
Sheep. Yeah.
But the goats, it's the rain is coming, bro, and you
When
want
you
to untie them,
one,
yeah.
The one is there.
The one is
there.
To the maize
Yeah.
plantation, to the I don't know what, bro. I don't like sheep.
And
I don't
what
like
about the
goats.
feeding?
Goats, yeah.
What about the feeding? Do they, you know, it's easy to feed
Yeah.
a goat.
You know, these are
Then these.
Why?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This ones we usually like just tie them.
Uh-huh.
When our grass, we don't slash our grass in our compound.
Yeah.
We'll get in, guys, and you'll get to know what I'm trying to mean. We don't usually slash the grass. So we usually leave them around and they go around by like eating the grass. And they usually eat until down. Even here, around here, we don't usually slash. They usually eat and they levelize, by the way. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Why
guys,
are you saying that
so-
it's
like for me, I thought like the food that the sheep eat is
the
different from
yeah,
the
it's-
goats.
yeah, no, but be like on the grass, they usually eat the grass, all of them. But there is another tree. Hizi zenye ni kali.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, the bitter ones.
the bitter
The
ones
sheep
over there.
don't eat, but the goats usually eat.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's where they differ. But in all the greens, they usually eat all.
Oh, so guys, what he's talking about? Let's
Yeah, but
get the right information here. So Benito is talking about these flowers over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these goats eat.
Yeah, goats eat, and they really love this.
They really love this.
Really,
Yeah.
really
I have
love
a
this.
goat at home, so I know they love these.
Yeah, they love
Yeah.
these ones that have got the
Flowers.
Flowers, yes.
So these leaves, and they are very bitter.
Yeah.
When you can chew them, you yourself, very
You know
deep.
that,
Very
that
big.
thing
Even
is
the smell.
Medicine, yeah.
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 It's medicine.
Yeah.
Medicine of human beings.
Yes.
What
You
what-
boil it.
Medicine when you feel like your stomach is
Aching.
aching.
Yeah. You boil it.
That is a medicine.
You boil it.
Yeah, you have to boil and consume the water.
the water.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
aloe vera, right?
Yeah. It's
So the goats
yeah.
really love this, but about the sheep, they can't taste.
Oh,
will
they
never
can't eat.
taste this.
Oh,
They can't.
okay.
Yeah, you see, we've just tied it.
And
yeah, but they can't eat.
nothing is eaten.
Yeah,
here,
it can't eat. We just use these trees to just tie them.
Yeah.
So that's it. But for us, you know, we usually like our home. It's around the town area. So the goats will give us a big
Hard
problem,
time,
like
yeah.
about grazing them.
Yeah.
Yeah, about the sheep now, it's an easy thing since they don't have a very big work. Like
Yeah.
yeah. So it is what it is, guys.
It is what it is, guys. So we are here, and we are learning something at the end of the day. And also we have some food here for
The puppies, guys.
Yeah, so
Where we
this-
were.
Yeah, these are the remains
Yeah.
of
What we were taking,
what
by
we
the
were
way.
taking.
Yeah, I usually
now-
go there. There are good people. That's why I usually like go to promote them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you came, I even thought like,
Yeah,
why
today-
not? Let's
Yeah.
just branch there and take something.
Yeah, by the way, thank you so much for the lunch.
Yeah.
Really appreciate.
Yeah, welcome.
Yeah, so it has been long since I was here.
This is my home, guys.
Yeah.
Welcome. I know the last time you were here, you were with Atlin.
Yeah,
But
Atin.
today you are with
Gasuku Benito
himself.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Feel
So,
free.
yeah.
So this is our harvest, by the way.
Yes.
Yeah, this we only harvested this today.
Oh,
These are the
today?
maize. Yeah, this today.
Yeah.
These are the maize, guys. I know it's not your
Maize
first time
cones,
seeing the maize cones.
Yeah.
So we are just here basking them to dry.
Yeah.
Since you know when you like harvest from the garden, they are not yet like matured for grinding. Like,
Grinding,
to
yes.
use, like,
You know,
flour.
also some people like they grind from the farm, but for you,
Oh.
you grind from here.
Yeah, from here, you know, when you grind from the farm, it
Yeah.
will need you again to come and bask again.
Yeah.
You know, but you know, like we just prefer like bringing them without grinding.
Yes.
You know, guys, we grind to get this maize seedlings.
Yeah.
Now you leave the corn only.
Yeah.
So
And
here-
also, the corn is also very useful, at
Yeah.
least for even lighting up
yeah, lighting up
the 3-stone jiko.
yeah, 3-stone jiko.
Yeah.
And you know, this corn, we can grind them into smaller particles.
Yeah.
Then I feed my chicken project there.
Yeah, exactly.
And that's what we are going to show you in a few, guys.
Yeah.
We only like arrived.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it.
Yes.
So these are harvesting. You know, it's harvesting season
Season,
in the village.
yes. Mhm.
And this it now. So keep watching, guys.
Yeah, so we are coming in. This is the gate. Come beneath.
Yeah.
Show us here first. You know, guys, we have kihita, something that
Yeah,
we call
kihita.
kihita. Yes.
That's the main gate.
Mhm.
Yeah, as you can see from there.
Yeah.
Now this is the small gate now getting, you know, the compound, it's
Yeah.
usually like enclosed
Yes.
around.
Yeah.
So this is the small gate now getting to the
Main house.
main like houses now.
Yeah, main houses.
Yeah, the
Exactly.
compound is free.
Yeah.
This is the main gate entering the compound.
Yeah.
But now entering now you want to operate the house, you have to get in from this.
Yeah, from
Yeah,
this
this is
place. So now this is what we call kihita.
Yeah, this is the heater now.
Yeah.
My father is just right here.
Yeah, that's the yeah. Mbuyande.
Right. So
Yes.
as you can see, as I've told you guys, it's a harvesting season.
Mm.
This sorghum, or what is it?
Yeah,
Is it sorghum?
this is finger millet or sorghum.
Sorghum. There is another day that we did a video with me,
Yeah.
and they said it's sorghum. We used to call it finger millet, but it's not finger millet, imagine.
It's sorghum.
Yeah, it's sorghum. Or what do
You
you
know,
think?
there's like you can't. I think it's very hard to differentiate between sorghum and finger millet.
Yeah.
There's a time we planted also finger millet near Nasto, and my dad.
Was it
home-
looking like this? Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know if this is finger millet or sorghum.
This sorghum, guys, in the comment section, let us know, please.
Yeah.
If you know this, kindly let us know. But for me, I think it's sorghum.
Sorghum.
Yeah, since we did a video and someone corrected us. We are
Oh,
calling
okay.
it,
So it's sorghum.
Yeah, it's
You are
sorghum.
sure it's sorghum?
Yeah, it's sorghum.
Yeah. So guys, this is sorghum harvested here also.
Yeah.
No, here in our villages, the most things that people do or the main cash crop here in the village is things like this.
Yeah.
This is sorghum. We have maize. We have what else? We have,
maize, cassava,
Yeah.
and we have got, by the way, it's a lot of things.
Yeah.
We
Exactly.
usually plant, and we usually even plant tobacco. And
Toba-
you know
tobacco
that.
now it's we were talking about tobacco in the morning. We were planting some onions.
Oh.
So I think about tobacco right now we don't have so much.
Yeah, so
It
much.
used
But
to be
they-
a main cash crop.
Our village, the only village that plants tobacco in Africa.
In Africa?
Yeah, in Kenya. Let's say
In Kenya,
Kenya.
eh?
In Kenya.
Yeah.
It's the only village. By
Yeah.
the way, do you know that?
I didn't know about that,
It's
but
the
I know
only-
we had a company in Nyabuhanse which was called Mastermind. That was the main point which people
Yeah.
used to take their
So Kuria is the
product. Yeah.
Kuria is the only village that plants tobacco.
Yeah.
Yeah. So here's where they like get the raw materials from tobacco.
Yes.
So can we just go? I've seen Mick around.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, music. Mwambia tupunguzie muziki. Music.
music. No, play music.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, babu yako. Mambo, how are you?
Oh, fine. Leta nikupimie
Yeah,
bebe.
this is
Tuone
Mick. Hey. Hey.
Sina
How are
pima na
you? How are you?
cheers.
First?
I'm fine.
You know, Mick is trying to.
I'm returning them. I don't want to take them. I'm just then after maybe putting them on, I'll ask you where you got them.
This is right or left? Okay. And how are you? How are you anyway? Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm so excited to see you. It's been really long. Oh God.
How is Uganda?
Fine. Yeah, I had fun. That's all. I'm so excited to see. I'm even shocked. You know, when they told me that you are around, I said, Ma,
no, I always come here. Yeah. In fact, guys, I miss this home. I've been living here, you know. Yeah, doing videos, me and me, Archie, and also I passed at your aunt's home.
Oh, you've gone there?
Yeah, I've gone there, but now they told me you can't film there because the boss is not around. Boss, so I said, oh,
Which boss?
Archie.
Oh.
Yeah, so I said.
I'm so excited to see you.
Yeah.
And maybe that's why they are slaughtering that.
Yeah. No.
See, there is a butter.
There's
That's a butter. It's
That's
not,
a butter.
it's butter.
That's a duck.
Duck.
Have you ever tried duck?
No. Well,
Sure.
Yeah.
That's a duck.
The other day, Nasto told me he slaughtered a duck. Yeah. He called me, I was off. So I wanted
Even
me
me,
to
I've
taste.
never tasted
But,
that duck.
You're going to taste today.
Yeah, it's my first time, but I'm not sure if I'm going to taste because I've never, it's my first. Anyway, guys, I hope you're all doing great.
Yeah.
And I hope you're enjoying watching Maja's video, and thank you so much for always supporting him. We will never take that love and support for granted. My good name is Mick or Vlog with Mick. So thank you for the love, thank you for the support, thank you for always watching my videos, his videos, the love and support. We really appreciate you all so much.
Yeah.
So enjoy the video, make sure you watch it to the end because you've not seen amazing things yet. That's just a start, okay?
Yeah. So
But,
guys, that is Mick, and in case you're new here, guys, go check her out, doing amazing work also here in the village. Go check her out, subscribe, support her, and tell her Maja sent you there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. And also if
you're saying something.
I wanted to see
see what she's giving me. And no. These are very
Where did you get them? Where did you get these shoes?
a gift.
A
Gift from my sister.
Voila.
Yeah.
So you gift me too.
I will gift you. Yeah, for sure I will.
Gift you like a gift.
No, I will buy. I will try and buy for you.
Hey,
A
Maja,
gift.
that
When is
will
your
be
birthday?
22. No, it's already passed. So he's saying, and you know it already passed.
Okay, I will gift you.
So
I'll have
give
a
me
surprise for you.
this. Just give me this.
I'll just get a surprise for you.
Okay, they
for
look
this.
so nice. I love them. They are so
Thank you.
comfortable, and they they have not been closed. Both of these sides, you see.
Yeah. And you know, the reason why also
And you know, me and Maja, we wear the same size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. See
See guys, it fits me so well.
and you
Anyways,
look
I've admired them. When I come to your home,
I'm going to bring okay.
Black ones to be precise, okay?
Okay.
Yeah,
So
but
when do you
don't
want
buy
them?
me, when I come to your home, you won't
When
know.
are you coming? Last you came, it
I'm
was
saying
2 years ago.
Maria's closed school.
Yeah.
They have closed.
Yeah, she's at home. Even we were planting some onions with her today in the morning
Oh, I've
before
really
I
missed
came.
her. I think she
When are you
even
coming?
forgot about me.
No,
No, I
she's.
don't.
You don't watch my videos. She's always introducing herself.
Me.
You,
I know.
and then
I love
Atrin,
Maria so
and then
much. So
yeah,
maybe I'll come on Sunday
yeah. On
to
Sunday
just
is
say
perfect.
hi to you guys because I think on Sunday is a better day because
On
each
Sunday
and
is
every-
tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow. I think on Sundays everybody is always at home.
Yeah, you come, we cook.
So when you leave these shoes at the door, you won't know when I put them
I'll
in
hide.
my bag. So
I'll
when
hide.
you see me at your place, you better hide them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm really happy to see you again and to
I'm
meet
also
you.
so happy. It's been long, guys.
Yeah.
I really missed you. But-
You missed me.
Yeah.
Hey.
For real.
If you miss me, you call me. You never call.
I always call you. I don't know if you blocked me.
No, I can never block anyone. Never.
Okay guys, enjoy the video. Watch it to the end because it's about to get hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
So show me here. Come and show me what you
Ben, me I don't know what's going on. Ben!
Something here. And it's a duck, by the way. Have you ever tried duck?
No.
These are duck. Susie! These are duck. You see,
duck.
is it so small?
Yeah.
Not that small.
Looks like a bag.
So this is what we are doing.
So guys, this is not chicken.
Finished high school very long time, but I even didn't know about it when I was in high school.
Yeah, so fun. So it's
Continue.
gastric juice. I don't know. You guys can tell us the gastrol juice.
Is it the gastrol juice? Are you sure about
I
it?
don't know, guys. You can tell us down the comment section if you know about that thing.
Look at this one. Who will eat and who will not eat?
No,
We are going to try everything.
You're just going to try.
For trying.
Not for trying. It's a meal. It's something that you have to eat because it's already slaughtered. So you have to.
Okay, so it's already good. I think. Can you call the lady now to continue?
It's now to be washed.
Yeah, it needs now to be washed. All that. So let me wash my hands. Then now we go to the main agenda.
Main agenda, eh?
Yeah, go to the main agenda in a few.
Yeah.
So, this it, man.
Yeah.
This is the project. Multi-million project.
Multi-million, yeah.
Multi-million project in the village. How do you see it?
Yeah, this
But
project,
I've not
guys.
given you a tour. But
Yeah, we are going for a tour, but it's very nice, guys, and this is very modern. How you did it, you know, it's very modern, even more than the one we have at home. What inspired you exactly?
What inspired me, by the way, like you know, I've seen a lot of projects from the Burundian traveler. He has got the same project, but I know for him, he has got a lot of chicks.
Yeah,
for me, I only have 100 chicks.
100.
But this coop can hold more than 1,000. But since we were not capable of buying 100, like 1,000, we only started with 100 of them. So we only have 100, and these are improved chicks, improved kienyeji, so layers.
Yeah, they are very good also. We also had the improved ones, and they are very good. But now the feeding the feeding. How do you feed them anyway?
For now, I just decided to be feeding them in the morning and in the evening. Since when I just decided let me just feed them when they finish. As you see now, they have already finished the feed. Yeah. And when I was feeding them, I put this area of the feeding. It was full, but as you can see, it's only like 3 hours and they're already done.
Imagine. So do you buy the feeds or are you?
Yeah, I buy the feeds.
Yeah.
I buy them.
How expensive are they?
They're
like guys, I just want you to know because also we were having a project like this, so we just want to know the range of So how much is it?
For the feeds, it depends with the kgs. So for the 10 kgs, it's 900 shillings, Kenya shillings. 10 kgs. Come, stick. Yeah. I bought the extra one. So this they have already finished. Oh. Yeah. So but we have here for the 10 kgs.
Oh, this is 10 kgs.
Yeah, this 10 kgs.
Yeah, you know, for us we used to buy the big bag. Is it how many? 50 kg. Yeah, 50 kg. We used to buy the bigger
where
bag.
I went to buy this, they didn't have let's go.
Yes,
they don't have the feeds.
Hey.
So when they don't have the feeds, it's a big problem.
Yes.
When they don't have the feeds, it's a big problem.
Yeah, and also you know, when you don't give them feeds, they will eat themselves. They're eating.
Yeah. They usually eat themselves.
Yeah. So you must make sure that they have feeds
Yeah.
And also I see there's something I will tell you also that you should
Later.
change from here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You see the bulbs? Let me just tell you. You see these bulbs
Yeah.
are not very good for the chicken. You have to get the chicken bulb.
Oh,
Yeah, chicken bulb.
They're
We
chicken
have
bulbs.
chicken bulbs, yes,
Oh.
which are not. They regulate.
oh.
Yeah, I'll give you one from home. I have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you
So
have the chicken bag.
yeah.
How much is it in the market?
I think
Or you can't remember?
I remember it's around 1500 shillings, Kenya shillings, 1500. Yes.
For one?
Yeah, for one. It's a big bulb, like it's yeah. That is which is recommended.
It has got very big, like most lighting, or
No, it's just a light
Recommend-
that
recommended
for
for the
chicks.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. So
Okay, so this this is how we designed this coop.
yeah,
We have
it's
got
very
the
good.
lower chamber and we got the
upper chamber. Yeah,
So
and
the
also
upper-
the behind.
Yeah, the behind chamber they operate. So on the behind we also have the upper and the lower. So they usually connect with here. Come.
Yes.
They usually connect with here. This is the corridor.
Oh, you have
it's
also the corridor here.
Yeah, it's no the front space is the feeding area. So the back space, we have got
maybe.
the places where they will be laying eggs from.
Oh
I
yeah,
don't know if
we
they
have.
can see from
Yeah.
the other side. You see? The same way down here, where they will be laying eggs from.
Oh yeah.
The
Yes.
same way down here.
Mhm.
Yeah, so that's it. So they operate, this is the corridor.
Mhm.
Yeah, the upper corridor, the downer corridor. This is where they operate from, coming to this side and operating to the back side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is a story building for the chicks, guys.
Yeah, you see how it's very good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Nice.
I'm really like learning also something,
Yeah.
because when we did ours, it was not like this.
This way.
Yeah, we didn't plan it very well, but I believe next time.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
plan it more good and good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so for here, this is the feeding area now.
Yeah.
And let me just feed them so that they can see
Yeah.
while I'm feeding. See, they can bite you.
Yeah,
Be
yeah.
careful. Now they are so hungry, like not hungry, but you know, they really like steady flow of food here.
Mhm.
Yeah. So by the way, we put this
Yeah.
to like, you know, when
This
it
is
was not
plastic.
here,
Yes.
when it's plastic. When it was not here, the other chicks, you know, we have got other poultry.
Yeah.
Chicks, we have turkeys. They were usually coming here and stepping here and eating from these feeds.
Mhm.
You know, these
Oh,
feeds
yeah,
usually
I know.
die.
Yeah.
So
you,
when-
you know, even us, we had an idea. Okay, when we started, we had these ones, but now we thought like they are very, like the chicks are stubborn when we have this, so we modified them, like in carpentry. We modified some which are they can step also inside and also have yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
I understand. So this one we used it at the floor where they will be stepping. You know, it have got big holes,
Yeah.
so that it can penetrate the weights. When
Oh.
they remove the waste, it penetrates down. So
Okay.
this is the concept here. So we decided to put, you know, when the waste now fall down,
Yeah.
usually fall down
Oh
on this
yeah,
spot.
yeah.
So when we want to collect the waste,
Oh, you just remove
pull,
it.
just pull this out.
Okay.
Then you clean. After cleaning, today we didn't clean. I just knew you were coming,
Yeah.
so that your people to
know how
yeah,
they
know-
yeah.
know how it's
You know, guys, we are learning every single day something new. So this is something new. Yeah.
So this is how we drag it out. The same with this downer one. That is the same.
Yeah.
So you drag it out like this. You clean,
Yes.
and you return it back. See? Yeah,
Yes.
then you return it back. The same with here, and there is another one at the back there. Yeah. So
Wow.
that's how we do it. And about the feeds,
Yeah. Maybe we can show how you feed.
yeah, when I collect, by the way, when I collect the waste, you know, there is a
Manure also, yeah.
There is a
Exactly.
They are a fertilizer.
Yeah.
So I can't throw them away.
Yeah. Even me, I am planting some. As you guys know from the start of the video, please watch the video from the start. I am planting onions. So this is very good for the onions.
fertilizer. You
Yeah.
see, these are the waste, guys. I store them in this sack so that when now we will need them, we'll just use them at the garden side.
Yeah.
So when I collect the waste, I usually put them here. Yeah. So these chicks are like I think 7 since they came 6 days.
6 days.
Yeah.
6 days
And
ago.
only this,
How old are they?
6 weeks. Yeah, they're
Like
6 weeks chicks.
oh,
When
6
I bought
weeks.
them, they were 6 weeks.
Oh, okay.
6 weeks
Okay.
old.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these the feeds. These are feeds, guys.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you're learning from our videos. You're learning from this video also how to. Yeah.
So this one we open it.
In the morning.
Yeah, I know it's in the morning.
Mm.
The other day, like tukisema juzi ni siku gani? Today is on a Saturday. We opened it on a
Thursday. Yeah.
Today is on a Saturday, you can imagine, and it's already over. Like I think when I just feed them, let me show you now. They will start like kungangania.
Yeah. Like scramble. For
Yeah,
the
they
food.
will scramble for the food. You see?
Yeah.
They seem to be hungry. They are not hungry, imagine. I just fed them. But the way that they seem to be hungry, we're just worried, man. What?
It's lunchtime now.
Yeah, it's lunchtime now. But I think I've like nimezizoesha vibaya.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me bring a knife then I cut here so that you can feed them all.
Yeah. So guys, this is a small bag. It's 10 kg of feeding the chicken here.
Yeah, man.
So yeah. So how long does this bag last?
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah, 4 days.
Oh.
Only 4 days. The bag is over. You know where I went to buy this bag? You know there is a big bags for 50, 30. So I went to buy, they were only this for the 10 kgs.
Yeah.
But when I get the big bags and the money is there, I'll buy the big. So these are growers. They are known as growers.
Growers,
Yeah, they are given to like small chicks so that they can grow. From the name growers, you already know.
Yes.
We want them to grow.
Yeah.
After they grow, now they start laying. We change. We give them the layers. The layers from the name, you know that we need them to lay eggs. Yeah, from the layers. So that.
Yeah. So we feed them locally, guys.
So we put this to like make sure that nothing like steps up here to feed from the.
Oh
feeds.
yeah.
Since you know we usually buy these feeds expensive. Imagine they will just finish this in a sleep.
Yeah, and they're very. The color is very good.
Yeah, they are
I
the
like
same.
the colors.
You can't count them from inside. You can't count them from inside, imagine.
See how they're struggling, guys.
Yeah, they're struggling to eat. Since they are now fighting, scrambling, like high school.
And down here, what do you keep?
Oh, down here, we closed, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, when I close that door, nothing can penetrate.
Oh, okay.
Coming inside.
Yeah, and I believe also you have some, what I call ducks.
Yeah, we have some ducks. That's why we are slaughtering one of the ducks.
Yes. We are going to see the ducks. Yeah.
Yeah, we are going to see the ducks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, this is a very nice project, and I'm really happy for you and to see what you're doing here in the village. You know, this also you can sell the chicken, you can sell also the eggs, and yeah guys, and you bring food on the table
Man.
with this. Yes.
So let's go fetch some water, then I add them water. Since I know they don't have the
Yeah.
water.
Yeah. So guys, we have this jerry can
Yeah.
of water. So
So let me bring the drinkers.
drinkers.
Yeah. They call drinkers.
How many do you have? The drinkers. Yes.
I only bought 3, but I need more, by the way. Yeah, I need like 8. 2 here, 2 here, 2, 2. Not 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah,
8.
8.
Yeah.
I need 8, but I only have 3. 3 drinkers. These are the drinkers.
Yeah.
If you don't know the drinkers,
Yes. We also have this.
yeah, as you can see, guys, they've already drink all the water. Yeah, these are the drinkers you can read from here. Chicken drinkers. Yeah, so I fill water in here.
Yeah. You have to wash
Oh, the
wash it first
yeah, I must
before
wash
you.
it. So that it's clean, right?
Yeah, it's clean.
Can I wash it with soap or rinse?
Just
Rinse, right?
yeah. But make sure they are very clean.
Yeah, for the like diseases.
Yeah. So you really guys have to wash them because yeah, to get the chicken healthy and
Yeah.
how many chicken have died or none?
So far so good, 2, only 2. But
2, yeah.
But now I see they are good. Yeah, since I have got their like medicine, there is some medicines that have been recommended to give them drugs. Yeah. Hey, these things usually smell very bad.
So imagine how the chicks feel also. Yeah, but they don't like, they are used to it.
Yeah. You know, what brings the smell is the feeds.
Yeah.
When
the
they come with the mouth, hey, see one of like boycotted outside. Can you catch?
Yeah.
One just
Okay.
boycotted outside. Let me return it back.
Yeah.
You know, they are not yet like that big. That's why they usually penetrate outside. But when now they will become that big, they can't come out. Yeah. So that's why they usually come out. But I don't blame them. Let them enjoy, man.
Yeah.
Finish washing, then I fill. You know, it's like what's the time now? It's like 1 p.m. right?
1. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very sunny.
Yeah, 120.
120. And it's very sunny. So they need water, right?
Yeah.
Already clean the chips. I have to buy this like 8, but for now I have 2. That's why I usually come here to refill each time and then. But when I'll have 8, it will be so easy.
Hey, and you measure this jerry can
Yeah, it
fill
usually
this,
fill-
this, and this.
Yeah,
These 3.
It usually fills. That's why I've told you.
Yeah.
10 liters fills the 3 of them. Yeah, so just wait and see when I give them the water how they will scramble for the water. So that will seem that they are very thirsty. This is how we do it now. They're just around here to wait for the water.
Yeah.
So this side just put the water for them. You see now, they are not scrambling for the water.
See how guys they are strong.
Yeah, they will. They will even sacrifice to leave the feed.
For water.
Yeah, for water. Let me put more here. Bring that one. Hold it from there. So this eat now. So until evening.
Yes.
I'm already done.
Yeah. So right now the chicks are fine for lunch, guys.
Yeah, this lunch now for them.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, and in case you're new here, kindly go subscribe to Benito, subscribe to Meek,
Yeah.
and everyone that is doing a great job. And also we are learning from every single day. We have lessons that we learn in our vlogs, and of course, yeah, positivity is the key, guys.
And good vibes and
Good vibes. Yeah. Whoa. Yo guys, so we have also a place here which you have rabbits. We didn't this guy is a farmer. This guy is a farmer. Yeah, so
Yeah,
you
true
have
farmer.
rabbits. Yes.
Yeah, I have here rabbits, and I usually feed them in the evening, only in the evening times. So
Yeah.
like now, I don't know if you'll get tired to go with me to get the feeds for them, but I usually feed them in the evening.
Yeah,
Good
maybe.
thing-
Yeah, maybe that we can do it another day because we are really yeah exploring everything.
Yeah, no problem. But
Yeah.
I usually feed them the leaves from the sweet potatoes and the blackjack.
Yeah,
I think
you can see.
Maja, you remember giving Ayamaro
Yeah.
for the rabbits?
They were blackjacks, or
blackjack.
Yeah,
yes.
these are
Yeah,
blackjacks.
I gave
Let me
Ayamaro.
turn like this so that they can eat from the downside.
Okay,
Yeah, a lot
let's
by
go
the
and
way.
see.
Let me just turn. They eat from the upper side now. Yeah, these ones. They're still remaining. And they usually eat, you can like think it's a big animal.
Yeah,
And yet they're just small. So they operate these whole cages.
Imagine.
So that's our sweet potato leaves.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are very fresh.
Yeah, you see, they're very,
Very
fresh.
fresh.
They,
Yeah.
they can eat.
Yeah.
So they usually operate these whole cages, and these cages they are used by my mom to put. She usually put here a lot of chicks, yeah. And the chicks here they were attacked by predator. Yeah, not a disease. So
okay.
the predator that attacked the chicks inside here, it usually like kill and just leave there. It don't like eat the meat. Just I don't know, it like bite the neck and make sure that the chick is dead. Dead.
It kills the chick.
Yeah.
So the
Which kind
predator
or
guys
what?
always kills the chick, drink the blood, and left it.
Yeah. By the way,
Because of
Is
the
it
last-
Tigetango? Which?
yeah, it's
yeah,
like a
yeah.
tango.
Like a
Because
tango.
of the last
Oh
vlog,
yeah.
I think you people saw that here there was a chick which had already been killed by a.
Yeah, it's not
You
there.
see there?
Yeah.
There's a dry chick which has already been dried up. This is what we mean.
Can you just go closer, Madam?
Yeah.
It's
This
there,
one.
by the way.
Yeah.
This
Let-
is the chick was eaten by the predator.
oh.
There, the
Come
red-
out so that Mother can.
Yeah.
show the-
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
After
Let me show you
eaten by
this.
the predator.
It was eaten by
Predator
the predator over
only
here.
drinks the blood,
Yeah.
left the chicks there.
Yeah. I don't know where they come from, but anyway, guys,
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one-
you really have to be very much careful
1%, but now it's
when you are farmer. So these are chicken or
That's
Yeah,
a
that's
chicken
chicken.
that was eaten
Chicken.
by the predator.
oh
It was eaten by a predator, but my mom told me I go buy a poison and come like apply on the chick, so that it usually come eat, then I leave the remainings, and it come the other day, then eat. So it usually like usually come eat go,
oh
So I didn't manage to buy the poison, but I think it not come back. Take it off camera.
Yeah.
So the
Hey,
eh?
the
Why do you
dogs.
think it will not come back?
Yeah, the dogs here.
I don't sleep. Bro.
You are awake.
You know,
I'm awake.
it sounds like a thief. This guy
Yeah.
is telling me that that is sleep, but only she comes on
Hello,
it.
baby.
Only comes on it.
Hello.
So all you can do is just buy the poison, apply
We
on
have
it,
a small cage here for the dogs.
wait for it to eat. So because
I'm
it
a
might eat, so don't tell us you don't sleep. And when it comes, you'll not hear it coming. Or when it can be, do you hear it coming?
No, no, no.
Okay, maybe people will tell us how to control that kind of predator below the comment section because it's really destroying things. So guys, kindly tell us if you're a farmer and you keep chicken, tell us how we can control the
Yeah. Sure.
the predator.
predator.
Yeah. Which type of medicine or
We can use.
yeah.
So, guys,
So, and also here I see Benito.
yeah.
We see here we have goats sleeping here, or the sheep.
Oh, the sheep.
The sheep.
Oh, the
sleep
sheep
here.
usually, by the way, like loiter around.
Yeah.
Usually be here.
You see,
And,
they are the rime, the fish,
Yeah,
the sheep.
yeah. The waist.
Yeah.
Waste. These are
Yeah.
the waste.
They usually
material
sleep
of the
here
sheep.
and the other side.
Mhm.
Where they usually like, if they want to come here, they usually come and we close. Usually close there. So I just made this puppies what?
Kennel.
Kennel. Yesterday. But I'm the one who made this.
It's
Oh,
the master.
Yeah,
You
it
know
wa-
where
It's
it is.
new in town.
Yeah, it's new, as you can just see. So they are in here. I know when I open, they will come out, but no problem. Yeah, these the two puppies I have.
Very healthy.
They are very healthy,
Their
right?
size.
Yeah, these are the two puppies I have. They are very young. So we are about to feed them. At least you see from the feeds that we just collected from the feeds that we just collected from the hotel. What?
I'm not bleeding.
Eh?
It's really hot in the village, guys.
Oh, you're not bleeding.
Oh,
yeah,
sorry,
yeah, yeah.
sorry.
When the sun goes too hot,
Eh?
Takat.
it's like it do.
Oh, my brother here is not
Oh,
bleeding.
sorry.
Eh?
The
Bro.
sun is not favoring me.
Oh, okay. Just go at the
Yeah,
where
sorry,
we were
sorry.
sitting. No problem. So my
TikTokers.
Yeah, so we are feeding the puppies here. They're playing. Yeah. They haven't
they
even
don't know
seen
that
the-
I've already put the feeds for them here.
Yeah.
Come here
They,
and enjoy your meal.
Ah.
Yeah, that's it. You see?
yeah, they're enjoying the meals, guys.
Eat, man. Yeah, they usually feed. So as you can see, the boil is full.
Mm.
The boil is full.
Yeah.
So this from here, like I can't open them until they are full.
Yeah. So this is a mixture of you can see here
Yeah.
rice, beans, ugali,
Gali, the meat,
yeah, the meat.
all of them, by the way.
Yes.
So this it. So let me put them inside. You know, so they will eat from now until evening.
Mhm.
Let me call the other one. Come. So when it comes like
So
that,
we have the male and female.
yeah, the male and female.
Yeah.
So the men close them, so they are eating from inside. You see? So I'll just enclose them like that, and they will eat until evening. Now I usually open them in the evening. You know, with dogs, they don't need like to interact with a lot of people, to know a lot of people.
Yeah.
So that's it. So
Yeah. So
So closing
you know
like-
these ones are very easy to treat because the last time I think the person who was I don't know I don't want to talk about this on camera, but if you have the Germany
Germany breed.
German breed.
Germany breeds,
Yeah.
it's very hard because
Shepherd.
yeah.
Come at the rabbits.
Oh.
Have they seen the rabbits?
Oh, the rabbits here.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are here lying.
Yeah.
How many do you have?
I only have three.
3.
The other one is here. The one.
Yeah, very big, healthy.
Yeah. So let me open here so that you can see these the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Show them from here. These are the feeds.
Yeah. These are the feed guys, and they have
Yeah, the rabbits are
the
there.
rabbits over there.
Yeah. There are only 3, 2 female and 1 male. But I'm planning to.
So we are going to pick some meat from here.
What are we taking? These are tang.
You want to? You want the tongue?
Tang or three pieces.
I think
meat.
three pieces.
Yeah, three is good with.
Yeah.
As compared with the tongue.
Yes. So we have to take meat.
So kulia mzuri. Tena sisi ndio watu wa kwanza kuja. So leo nikujie nyama nini? Chakula za umbo.
So guys, I didn't know here in the in Masaba they have this. The last time I was here, it was last year. I didn't get this because I stayed here for long. You are not here.
Yeah, I was
in Nairobi.
I was in town. Nairobi,
yeah.
By that time, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So right now I see everything is good. You know, Nyabuansi, we always have this.
Chakua tatu. Wacha mambo yako hayo.
What's your name? Robbie.
Yeah, beautiful girl.
Yes.
Beautiful girl.
Yeah, she's the one who is.
How do you know that they are already good to be taken on the table? How?
How do you?
How do you know?
I've served for a long time, so I know.
Oh.
When it's ready, I know.
How much is for one?
70, 100.
Oh. Okay, so guys, yeah, sorry for the light from the other side, but anyway. Yeah. So guys, let's enjoy our soup here.
You should add some salt.
Yeah. Yeah, anyway guys, yeah, we are completing our video here, and thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome, bro.
Yeah, having us, of course, Popeye Africa, and I'm happy to meet also Mick after
After
not long. We met
In Nairobi.
at Ayamaro. Yeah.
Oh, the other day.
Yes.
Oh, I was not around, by the way.
Yeah. So Benito, thank you so much. Of course, he's the one who hosted me.
invited you over.
Hosted me or
Invited you.
invited me, not hosted.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, thank you so much. God bless you abundantly.
And you're welcome, bro.
Yeah, thank you so much. So this is the project, guys, and you can also go check the project on his YouTube channel. Yeah, and learn something from there. And also we have Mick here.
Yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and you are always welcome here. Thank you for always supporting Maja. My good name is Mick, and I think this is the end of this video.
Yeah.
We wanna say bye and
Yeah. So say bye.
bye
Guys.
Yeah,
Hey.
man. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Yeah.